Welcome on 100 on 100 in Eco platform, the best solution for economics. Let's discuss some tips about elasticity of demand and elasticity of supply. Let's do some comparison. Categories are perfectly elastic demand, perfectly elastic supply. Let's define it. In case of perfectly elastic demand or supply, the percentage change in quantity demanded changes to a large extent with no change or with a small or the slightest change in the price, and therefore the percentage change in the quantity demanded or supplied exceeds far beyond the percentage change in price. Therefore, you get value infinity in both the cases. Remember, perfectly elastic demand, perfectly elastic supply, both will have infinity and both the curves will be parallel to x-axis horizontal. Similarly, perfectly inelastic demand, perfectly inelastic supply, both will be vertical parallel to y-axis and both will have value 0. For a simple reason, quantity demanded or supplied does not change at all with any or with a large change in price also. Therefore, you get the value 0. In both the cases, perfectly inelastic demand and perfectly inelastic supply, the ED and ES value comes to 0. And unit elastic demand and unit elastic supply, both the value is 1 because the percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in quantity supplied equals percentage change in price.